you're experiencing verification issues on Netflix after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause verification issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, clear the cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the verification process to fail. Access your browser settings to find the option to clear browsing data. Step 3. Update your app or browser. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Netflix app or your web browser. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Check for updates in your app store or browser settings and install any available updates. Step 4. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact Netflix support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Netflix customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account and help resolve any ongoing verification issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on Netflix and regain access to your account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Netflix support.